What's up, guys? This is Tim Ernst, as you know, and I just want to welcome you to 180 Muscle. This is a great program if you're looking to build size, strength, and burn body fat all in 180 minutes a week. And as you know, this is a 12-week program that's designed to help you reach your goals, whatever that might be. Now, the one thing I want to start off by saying, before you begin this program, I've included 3 PDFs in section 1. The first one is an introduction guide that you need to read so it helps you kind of understand some of the terminology and how to perform some of the exercises. So make sure to read that first. The other 2 PDFs that I have in there are the printable workout sheets that you're going to need to print out, bring to the gym, and I left a little section on the right-hand side where you can track your progress. You can track how many weights you're doing, how many sets, reps. So make sure to print those out and bring them to the gym. It's very, very important that you pay attention to how you're progressing with the 180 Muscle program. The third one is a 12-week abdominal plan that goes with the 180 Muscle. Now, in sections 2 and sections 3, you will find month 2 and month 3 of the printable workout sheets. So when you get to month 2 and month 3, you're going to want to print those sheets out as well, bring them to the gym, track your progress. And there's just one last thing, guys, that I want to just really stress, and this isn't for everybody. I just wanted to give you just an opportunity that if you feel like you need a coach to kind of help you get through this program, I offer that as well. If you go to turnaroundfitness.com/premium-coaching, and the page looks like this, you're going to just scroll down, you're going to hit the blue button, and there's going to be a little form that pops up where you're going to fill out your information so that way I have a good idea of what goals you're trying to reach during the 180 Muscle program. So make sure to check that out. Again, that is not for everybody, but if you feel like you need that coach to help you reach your goals even faster, I have guys that are doing that right now. They're getting great results, and they're actually getting towards their goal quicker than the 3 months. So make sure to check that out. Again, it's turnaroundfitness.com/premium-coaching. All right, guys, let's get started. I wish you luck, and I know you're going to do well. I'll see you in the gym.